Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have my IPSY, my Boxycharm box. IPSY by Boxycharm, however you want to call that. I wanted to share my lipstick. I have, let me put this on properly. The Give Gwen Stefani. This is, I think, Lovable something. Lovable Me. It's a nice shade. You can see it right here. And I have it on. It's very comfortable. So I've been trying to grab ones that I haven't been wearing for a little bit and give them a try. Don't mind my arm if you see my arm all scratched up. Oreo yesterday, today's what day? Wednesday, the 11th. Yesterday she had 2 more seizures. So she's pretty worn out. I'm worn out, you know, 2 nights in a row, just very little sleep. You know, I'm basically sleeping with one eye open. Like, want her right next to me. I have my hand on her. I want to, if she starts, I don't want her to be in her bed that I'm not going to know until I start to hear her, which could be, you know, a minute into the seizure. So, so far she's been doing good today. She's passed out this way. Just got to keep an eye on her, and, you know, like, things need to be, I think, adjusted, or, you know, these 2 were, I think, worse than the ones that she had prior. I think I have stripped the bed. Pillows had to be washed, her blankets, her bed, things like that, just because these 2 seizures, she lost control of her bladder. Where previous ones she did not. So these were a little bit, I think, more intense for her. And then probably for an hour afterwards, she's confused, disoriented, walking into walls. I mean, it breaks your heart. But, you know, like, I don't panic. I panicked the first time for that little bit. Now I know just to let her know I'm with her and love on her and just try to keep my arms away from her feet and her paws, because they're just moving a mile a minute. That's how I got scratched so bad. The first one, she really scratched me. The second one, I kind of kept my arm back, but she still got me anyway. But, you know, like, I'm not going to sweat that stuff. But just keep her in your prayers, because, you know, it's a poor thing. Breaking my heart. She doesn't deserve it. So this is the Boxycharm box, small little box. Theme is Make Bold Moves. Seen that from previous. Let's see. Oh, okay. I knew I had received this in PR. I wore this the very next day. This is really nice. I do love this, so I'm happy to have a backup. I've used it a few days already. I don't put primer on every single day. It just depends on the level of makeup. But this is really nice. It's a nice gel. It's not just like a pinkish, like, skin tone color, but it goes on so nice. Silicone-free smoothing primer. So, you know, if you can get this, if you didn't get it in your box and you can maybe get it in the shop, definitely worth giving a try to see if you like it. Personally, I have from an Everlasting Liquid Blush from Pink Lips Cosmetics. I don't know if there's a shade. It doesn't really say. So we have a blush, which is nice. Ooh, it's kind of bright. That's a bright blush. Ouch. Okay. And it has the big doe foot. I'm not going to swatch this. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I have not been using too many liquids. I don't mind the creams per se, but not too many liquids as of late. Oh, this I'm excited for, from Morphe. SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Sunsetter Setting Spray. So if you have, you know, put your SPF on over top, your last step usually is a setting spray. Well, if not, I use a setting spray. I know a lot of people setting spray less, but it has SPF in it. You can just reapply your setting spray. It's kind of hard to reapply your base. No real scent to speak of, but, and this is like a soft bottle, not like a metal bottle, but that is perfect for now, because you could take that with you if you're out. Even if you're on the beach and you have no makeup on, you could use that. It's a 30 and just constantly reapply it. That's all. I mean, it's not the end of the world. The next thing I have is a brow duo from Lovecraft Beauty. Excited for this. And I have Nebula and Nutmeg. So they're browns. It's a double-sided, it appears, right here. Oh, one's like a pen. Let's see that. Oh, that's nice. Just trying to make a thicker line. So it's right there. Okay, so that's nice. Well, and it's just like a pencil. Yeah, so this end is your pencil. The other one is your fine. Let's see. Pretty. Yeah, they're both nice browns. And then you can see the darker brown there. Excited for this. I don't think I have their brow products, so I love brow products. And then I have Fenty Skin Thick and Smooth Peptide Eye Cream. I know I've had this before. Not bad. I'm never going to say no to skincare. Looks like this, the packaging. And I do believe it just screws off, right? Yeah. So, and then you just press down and it comes out. I'm not going to waste because I'm just not. So that's nice. Under eye cream. Excited. And then my Boost product, put this here, is from Tarte. And this is Glamazon. So this is the Tarte palette, which is nice. I don't think I have this one. I might. I don't think I have this one. You can tell by looking at it. No, I don't. So this is what it looks like right here. Let's open her up. Oh, pretty. Got a little thing here. So let's block the mirror. This is nice. I wouldn't say an everyday usable. Blues, greens, some neutrals. Right there. I like the neutrals. Tarte has very nice palettes. That dark green might be good to darken your outer corner versus using like a brown. The blue, I mean, if you wanted to dabble a little bit, you could. Not bad, though. I like Tarte palettes. They're very nice. So I'm excited for that. Sometimes it tells you, like, if it's a face palette, too. Like, I guess you could use some of them shades as, like, a bronzer if you wanted to. I don't think my box is bad. I know I've seen some that look more like my PR box, which was still good. I've seen mixed reviews and opinions on the palette that came in the PR. That it looked cheap, more drugstore. The shimmers were very light. You would have to maybe wet them if you wanted like a brighter impact. But the neutrals were good in that palette. So I don't think, I'm trying to see if I can grab it. I don't know if it's, yeah, I have no idea where it is. It might be in the other drawer. So I've seen mixed reviews on that. I have not tried it. So if you did get it, let me know your thoughts on it. I'm trying to think, I think just Ann last night, she did her Boxycharm, and I wanted to see her opinion on that palette because I haven't tried it. And she was like, eh. And I think it was expensive. I think she said it was like $35 or $40 when she looked up the price. So that's a little pricey for no mirror and all plastic case. Like this is at least feels luxurious. I mean, Tarte generally doesn't give like cheap feeling palette, vessels. Has a mirror and, just feels nice, feels, like it was expensive. I mean, Tarte's not cheap, but it's not, this is not Danessa Myricks or, Fenty or some of the, Natasha or any of them that their palettes are super expensive. Tarte's fairly priced, I think. If anything in here, I could do without the blush because I'm not really into the liquid blushes, but I can share that. And everything else I love. Like, I was excited to see this, especially with the summer. Like, even if I'm, you're just not, even if you're just outside, like if I'm outside gardening or I'm just outside in general, I can just quick respray. And that usually, you can get 30 minutes out of. This says, let me see. You can reapply throughout the day for continued protection. So I would probably say probably every 30 minutes, an hour, if you're just sitting there. Now, if you're swimming or sweaty, yeah, reapply it more often because you're going to take it off. But that would be great to throw in a beach bag for your face. I will not, I mean, when I was out last week, my cheeks and a little bit across the top of my nose did get a little sun. And I was pretty much in the shade most of the time. So, and I had SPF makeup on. So it still got me a little bit, but I don't like burn. It was just slightly pink and then it was gone like by the time I took a shower that night. I do tan pretty easily, but that's still sun damage. So something like this would have been nice to spray on my face before I went outside. Kind of don't have to worry about it then. At least I know I have underneath and then something on the surface to help block. So let me know your thoughts on this one. I think overall, I think my paid box was better than my PR box, but both still very good and happy to get the PR box every month. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you have a wonderful day. Hope it's sunshine and nice weather where you are. Today it is like I think low 80s, sun's out finally. We've had nothing but rain and clouds and gray and gloom and doom. So it's nice to see we have a few days of nice weather. So I'm going to take advantage of that. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Have a good day. Bye for now.